Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Once again, welcome everyone to the tutorial. Today we will be going over our creative bow form. Now this form is to serve as a template for those that want to get a little bit more creative with their bow. So from here you can learn the bow form as is, or you can modify it with either more or less advanced techniques to your specifics to make it your personal form. So once we do the breakdown, the frames of the video will be slowed down to 50% so you can get a better look at the techniques that will be happening in the form. From there, you want to break each piece, each segment down into pieces, into chunks, so it's a little bit easier for you to learn the bow form. Once you've broken down each piece, you'll be able to learn the bow form in its entirety. That being said, let's go ahead and go into the breakdown. So we're going to start with our ready stance. We're going to start right here in the ready stance. From here, we're going to bring our bow staff up to our right shoulder, bring our feet in, and bow. From here, we're going to step out into a left, step out to the left into a power stance, and we're going to do an X block. From here, we're going to shift into a right front stance. We're going to rotate our bow clockwise and then step forward into a chop. From here, we're going to bring that hand up, step back, 360, slowly bring that hand down into a low block, and we'll start our form with a one-hand figure eight, rotating to our left, triple strike, and then an overhead strike to the right, to the left, 360, overhead strike, and then a spin overhead triple strike. From here, one more overhead strike as we step and bring the bow behind the back. Do a single rotation toss, bring it behind the back one more time into a left front stance overhead strike. From here, butterfly spin to the right, bring it behind the back, overhead strike into a tornado kick. From here, we're going to step out, overhead strike, then shift overhead strike to the right, and then bring it under our left arm, and then under our right, facing the opposite direction, chain ring for our baseball swing sequence. Over the left to the left shoulder, step and spin over the right to the right shoulder, and then into a diagonal strike. From here, we're going to bring it under our right arm, step back, 360. From here, we're going to shuffle axe kick, jump split kick with the bow in between, spin to the left, overhead strike to the right, bring the bow staff around, we step to the left, overhead strike to finish the form, and low block, power stance. From here, we step back, bow staff under our right arm, and bow. And that concludes our creative bow form tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.